family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. This video I'm going to be giving you an update of Uthando Nesithembu, la uMayeni walks away as Musamseleku fights for his life at the hospital due to a minor stroke. uMayeni, one of Musamseleku's wives, has made the stunning decision to fully withdraw herself from the family, which has caused the Mseleku home to be shaken by anticipated turbulence. This decision comes at a time where the polygamist is fighting for his life after suffering a stroke. It has been claimed that Mayeni has returned to her own residence and severed all relations with the Mseleku family. She has even gone so far as to delete Macele's phone number. This is a contrast to her previous behavior, which was to support her husband during this difficult time. Many people are in a state of amazement as a result of this drastic decision, and some of them are wondering whether the long-standing tensions that has been present within the family has now reached a breaking point. The decision that Mayeni made to be completely distance herself from the situation has caused eyebrows to be raised, in the contrast to the other wives who have been gathering around Mseleku and showing their support throughout his health problems. This may have been an attempt of self-preservation, but it also reveals deeper flaws in the dynamic of the family structure. As viewers of the reality show about the Mseleku family attempt to make sense of Mayeni conduct, social media is rife with speculation about what might have happened. Some people think that she may have had feelings of being undervalued, while others say that this might be her way of stably realizing years' worth of pent-up rage while remaining mute. Commenter noted, "Something serious must have occurred from her to walk away at a time like this," referencing the fact that she left the room. In addition, another individual stated, "Mayeni has always been distinct from the other wives. Perhaps it's time for her to get over it for good." As a result of her choice to remove Macele from her contact list, additional stories have been spread about the significant gulf that exists between the two ladies. Many people are now questioning whether Mayeni's departure is going to be permanent, despite the fact that it is common knowledge that there have been underlying tensions in the past. The question is whether she will be ever come back, or whether she has completely finished the chapter on her life as Mseleku wife. It's still a question of whether or not Mayeni will have a change of heart, or whether or not this will be the final straw that causes her to no longer participate in the polygamous marriage. Musamseleku is fighting for his life. All eyes are currently focused on whether or not the family will become closer together as a result of Mseleku's health problem, or whether it will be push them further apart. The scenario is rapidly developing. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.